Ino-Grip for low deformation clamping of round turn parts in the first operation. The first clamping jaw you can use for both rough turning and smoothing, because you don't need to correct mistakes later if you don't make them in the first place. Simplify your lathe tool clamping with Ino-Grip. Ino-Grip, clever, effective, patented. Ino-Grip, the system for keyed-fit clamping of round-turned parts. And how does it work? Quite simply, with a small indentation on the workpiece. This creates a keyed fit between the clamping jaw and the workpiece, which is far superior to the normal force fit. Only a fraction of the clamping force of traditional methods is needed. Time-consuming and costly rework and correction due to deformation are much less frequent, and the accuracy of the final product is superbly impressive. The defined indentation in the workpiece makes it possible to remove workpieces from the clamping jaws and replace them to a repetitive accuracy of 0.005 of a millimeter. This means that intermediate measurement of the component is easily possible during manufacture. Processing a bearing ring with external diameter of 155 millimeters and finished inner diameter of 138 millimeters. The workpiece is indented with the existing Ino-Grip jaws. If the indentation is not to be made in the clamping jaw, it can be carried out at a separate stamping machine. In the case of large volume production parts, stamping and clamping can even be carried out in one process by means of a twin pressure cylinder, or a stamping system can be integrated into the loading station. Clamping a bearing ring with total clamping force of only about 100 kg. Because of the keyed fit, greater clamping forces are not needed. In the future, the large clamping cylinders can be replaced by smaller ones. Secure clamping is achieved by means of the defined indentation only 0.5 mm in depth. By using Ino-Grip clamping jaws in the first operation, concentricity errors are considerably reduced compared to traditional equipment. Tolerances for H7 qualities and higher are possible, depending on the processing techniques used. The sensational stability of the system is demonstrated here in a quite special application. A machining steel of 90 mm diameter and total length of 180 mm with clamping length of only 5 mm is turned smooth with a clamping depth of 6 mm. During the rough turning process, Ino-Grip clamping jaws can be used like gripper jaws. When the workpiece is inserted, stamping and clamping are carried out simultaneously. Ino-Grip offers many benefits. Low workpiece deformation through considerably reduced clamping forces. The system can be used for rough turning and smoothing. Better processing through much more efficient power transmission. Less wear. Lower investment costs. Easy changeover from turning to milling. Maximum repetitive accuracy of ±0.005 mm. Ino-Grip, a revolutionary new approach to workpiece clamping in turning applications.